In a world where threats are evolving, maneuvering forces need to deal with spectrum of threats. Traditional and low-signature ones. Loitering munition, ATGM and RPGs, suicide drones, reconnaissance drones, targeting drones. These are the threats we face today. In the face of such threats, our armored forces need the best situational awareness, target acquisition, and protection. Introducing the M3S2 Multi-Mission Multi-Sensor Suite from IAI-ELTA Systems, a target acquisition and cueing system that integrates multi-mission radar and muzzle fire detector with platform electro-optical sights. M3S2 detects, classifies, and tracks ground and aerial targets and shooting events, providing real-time situational awareness. And with the automatic reaction option, M3S2 Suite can precisely aim at the sources of fire. It seamlessly integrates with your weapons system, locating fire sources quicker, at longer ranges, and with greater accuracy. Even small signature threats are no match for M3S2. Its radar sensor warns of their discovery long before they reach their target. With a wide field of view, each tank can focus on its own section, ensuring full coverage. Multi-Mission Multi-Sensor Suite from IAI-ELTA, redefining battlefield awareness.